Yep, a Periscope.
Yes.
And you get them from Lowe's and stuff like that. They come in a little bag. They come with the 2 little mirrors, the little nails, and
come with this.
Yep, a patch.
Then they come with these.
Yep, stickers to decorate.
Yeah.
And do you know what a Periscope is? A Periscope lets you see over or around things like corners or over the top of walls that you are not tall enough to look over. A Periscope works by reflecting light from the top mirror to the bottom mirror and then into your eyes. The first naval periscope was invented over 150 years ago and was used in submarines so sailors could see above the water. Modern, more complex periscopes use prisms or advanced fiber optics instead of mirrors. So, whoops, I need those. Alright, so first of all, we put the A to the B, which I already done because I was trying to figure out which piece is which, and they don't have them labeled. So I went through and kind of labeled some of them. And so there's the A to the B, which is the bottom part, which is step 1. So now we'll take D and put on here and put it like this right here. And then we'll put this piece here. Right, so what I'm gonna do is we'll get some of these nails and we'll put a nail here and a nail here. Whoa, whoa, I'm about to drop them.
Oh, jeez. It's funny. It's gonna be a funny video, Dad.
It might be. You never know.
Oh.
Yeah. Put our hammer over here. So, whoops, and it's loud, and we ain't waking people up.
Oh.
Right?
My God.
Right?
That is so sketchy.
And so, what are you going to use this thing for, Fox?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I just don't know. Like using it for like things I can't look over.
No, that sounds like a pretty good use.
This is gonna be a funny video, guys. Because every time we mess up, what was supposed to do just be really funny. That's my grandpa there. Just ignore on this side.
So now we take the F and the H and put in here. So we'll put this. About messed up, Fox.
Huh?
I said I almost messed up.
Oh. Did you hear that, guys? Dad said he almost messed up.
Sure did. Yeah, I forgot to put the other piece on there. I was getting ahead of myself.
I think my dad just said the bad word.
No, I didn't. So I was getting ahead of myself.
Do you smell those pancakes, guys?
No, they can't smell them pancakes. You know that.
Because my grandma's cooking pancakes. The bottom piece fell. I can't remember I don't know where my dad is going, but he is going outside, guys. So I'll show you the instructions one more time. You see all the letters?
Alright, so I had to take it outside and do this so it wasn't making so much racket. Now we're going to put these little mirrors in. And
No. Yeah, so that way we can put the top on. And we're done for the YouTube video.
Alright, so let's do this. We take the mirrors in and we put them in these little slots like so. Like that. And then it lines up with the slots on this side. See?
Oh yeah.
And then put that in there like that. And then we'll take this one and do the same. And should be good. Oh, I can't even get it to peel.
I'm sick, guys, but I will not cough on you guys. So
You can't cough on them. They're on the other side of the TV screen. Which that's lined up, and then we'll take it back outside and nail the rest of it in.
well, yes, apparently.
Like so. Right.
And I'm hungry right now.
Stickers on it. And remember, always have a parent. Even though we waited till now to say that. You want to put the stickers on?
I can't really see up.
How are you gonna?
I can see up it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, sure. I'm gonna put all the stars on first.
Let's put the sides on first.
Yeah, put the sides on first. Look, I'm gonna make it a shooting star. I will make it a star, put it together. I'm gonna put this up here, this star up here. Alright?
Yeah, sounds good to me. Hold on. Wait till I get the sides on. Sides on. Put this on. And then this one on. Here. I think we might put stickers on wrong. It's okay. Boom.
It's a shooting star. It's a shooting star. Up in the sky, I will put it up here on some nails.
It's not perfect, but it's on there, right?
Yeah.
And then we'll take this. And this
So-
hold on.
What?
This goes on there. So. Boom.
Okay.
Now you can decorate stars.
Daddy, why did you crunch up your star?
Oh, my bad. It does have stars on it. Whoops.
Okay.
Man, I about messed it up for you, didn't I? Guess we'll let the YouTubers look. You want to let them look?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Go. I'll hold it. You go stand at the other end of the table. And then. Oh, look. We can see Fox at the top of the table, even though we're looking under the table. Say, hey, Fox.
Hey guys, so I only have it here.
And that
Dad,
is how it works.
Bye guys, make sure to like and subscribe.